Marvin Minsky, the legendary cognitive AI scientist, once said, "Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines do things that would require intelligence if done by men." It rings especially true these days because it captures the essence of what artificial intelligence aims to achieve. With new AI tools getting into mainstream each day, it seems like 2023 would be the year we all have long been waiting for. So brace yourself, ladies and gentlemen, because financial revolution is about to commence. But before we all get excited, let me propose a thoughtful experiment. Try imagining a future where AI has already ensured financial stability for everyone. How would this affect our aspirations and decision-making? And what are some possible adjustments one would have to make to adjust to this newfound equilibrium? Realizing the importance of the moment, we went on a painstaking quest to hunt such AI tools that could potentially reshape our perception of finance. No brainer, right? While finding such a treasure trove ain't no joke. Especially in this era of exploding AI tools and gadgets, separating facts from fiction has become a real problem. It feels like looking for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, you're in luck because we've got not just one, but 5 such incredible AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. Welcome back to Finspiration, where we unlock the secrets of wealth and ambition. Number 1. Algo Trader. When it comes to the benefits of AI in financial investment, Algo Trader truly takes the lead. The unstoppable financial advisor who claims to revolutionize the world of investment with the power of AI. Strap in as we delve into the benefits of AI in financial investment with Algo Trader leading the way and analyzing data from every corner of the financial universe. Lightning speed and surgical precision, Algo Trader, the financial superhero, boasts unparalleled speed and efficiency, crunching numbers faster than a speeding bullet. Say goodbye to missed opportunities and hello to investment superheroics. Feeding on data for breakfast. In the morning, while you enjoy your cereal, Algo Trader devours financial information, economic indicators, and market trends. It's like having an army of Wall Street experts living in your pocket, ready to guide your investment decisions. After all, who needs breakfast when you can have your daily dose of financial insights? Bon appetit, my data-hungry friends. Eliminating emotional bias, Algo Trader, the emotionless wonder, claims to eliminate emotional bias from investment decisions. Gone are the days of human error and irrationality. By removing the human element, Algo Trader ensures objective and rational analysis, optimizing your chances for success. Emotions, who need to worry about them when you have AI by your side? Continuous learning and staying ahead, Algo Trader never stops learning. As it gobbles up new data and experiences, it adapts and refines its strategies to stay ahead of market trends. It's as if Algo Trader has discovered the fountain of eternal knowledge, ensuring your investments are always aligned with the latest developments and opportunities. So sit back and relax while Algo Trader becomes the all-knowing oracle of your financial destiny. Accessibility for all, gone are the days of expensive financial advisors and geographical limitations. Algo Trader, the savior of the masses, is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Finally, the democratization of financial information has arrived. Now you can have cutting-edge advice and expertise at your fingertips without draining your wallet. Who needs human interaction and personalized guidance when you can rely on a digital assistant that knows it all? Let the era of financial empowerment begin. Number 2. Zoho Sheet. Zoho Sheet isn't your ordinary spreadsheet tool. It's a revolutionary game-changer that transforms mundane spreadsheets into captivating works of art. Prepare to be dazzled as your virtual finance fairy godmother, effortlessly comprehending numbers and formulas, grants your every spreadsheet wish. Whether you're managing budgets or analyzing complex financial reports, Zoho Sheet is here to simplify your life and elevate your financial prowess. Witness the magic of Zoho Sheet as it unveils its power to detect and correct common spreadsheet errors, acting as a vigilant proofreader for your financial calculations. Bid farewell to those embarrassing mistakes that undermine your credibility. With Zoho Sheet by your side, accuracy and reliability become the bedrock of your financial journey, empowering you to confidently navigate the intricate world of complex financial data. In the realm of finance, spreadsheets reign supreme, offering a versatile platform to organize and analyze vast amounts of data. Zoho Sheet emerges as a steadfast ally, streamlining your financial operations, enabling efficient budget management, and providing meticulous expense tracking. It's the secret weapon in your arsenal that empowers you to conquer your financial goals with finesse. But here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that 88% of spreadsheets contain errors? Yes, you heard that right. Human error is lurking in the shadows, poised to sabotage your financial endeavors. Fear not, for Zoho Sheet emerges as the ultimate superhero to save the day. Because Zoho Sheet's AI capabilities assist in intelligent data entry by automatically detecting patterns, suggesting formulas, and providing autofill options. It offers smart data analysis functions powered by AI, allowing users to perform calculations, apply formulas, and create charts and graphs for deeper insights. Zoho Sheet uses AI algorithms for intelligent error detection, helping users identify and correct potential errors in spreadsheets. Unlock the true potential of your data data with Zoho Sheet's advanced analytics capabilities. Delve deeper into your financial landscape, extracting invaluable insights for data-driven decision-making. With Zoho Sheet's real-time collaboration features, you'll experience the power of teamwork, where everyone is on the same page, driving productivity to new heights. So, dive into the realm of Zoho Sheet and unleash the power of accurate and reliable financial calculations. Being a cloud-based tool, Zoho Sheet offers accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. It ensures data security through encryption, user access controls, and regular backups. Embrace a world where spreadsheet errors become a thing of the past and efficiency takes center stage. Get ready to conquer the financial frontier armed with the impeccable assistance of Zoho Sheet, because when it comes to flawless spreadsheets, Zoho Sheet is the ultimate conqueror. Number 3. Invest AI. In the realm of financial investment, AI has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing the way individuals navigate the complex landscape. Invest AI, a groundbreaking technology, harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to unlock hidden potential and provide invaluable insights. Because let's face it, when you think about investing your hard-earned money, what you really need is an AI crystal ball to guide you. With Invest AI as your trusted companion, you gain access to a fortune teller for your finances. Its predictive capabilities transcend conventional methods, offering simulations of potential financial outcomes. This digital Nostradamus guides you through the twists and turns of the financial landscape, empowering you to plan for retirement, strategize your next big move, and achieve financial happiness. Invest AI claims to analyze vast amounts of data, learning from the past to uncover patterns and predict market movements. In fact, it once predicted a stock market crash 3 months in advance. But hey, no pressure. Just trust this AI wizard to predict the unpredictable and magically guide you through the financial labyrinth. It's like having a fortune teller who excels at charting the course of your bank account. Invest AI distills complex information into actionable insights. Who needs to understand the intricacies of financial markets when you have an AI to simplify it for you? With Invest AI, you receive handy advice like buy low, sell high, or diversify your portfolio. It's so obvious, it's genius. Now you can navigate the financial world armed with basic common sense and AI-powered confidence. Invest AI also promises to be your trusted guide in retirement planning. Crafting a roadmap for retirement can be daunting, but fear not. Invest AI will analyze your financial landscape, identify potential roadblocks, and design personalized retirement strategies. Who needs human financial planners with years of experience when you can rely on a snappy AI assistant? It's like having a compass that points directly to your dreams, as long as they align with achievable goals. By relying on AI tools like Invest AI, you can save time and effort in analyzing complex financial data. After all, who wants to waste their precious hours understanding market trends and economic indicators when you can have an AI do it for you? Number 4. Book.ai. Are you tired of feeling like a bookkeeping prisoner, trapped in a never-ending maze of receipts and financial records? Get ready to break free from the shackles of tedious tasks and welcome Book.ai, the AI-powered superhero here to revolutionize your bookkeeping game. Let's face it, traditional bookkeeping is like wandering through a labyrinth of errors and inefficiencies. Spending countless hours on mind-numbing tasks leaves you questioning the meaning of life itself. We'll expose the absurdity of this archaic system, highlighting the pain points that make you want to tear your hair out. Book.ai is here to save the day and liberate you from the drudgery. This AI-powered platform is like a knight in shining armor, armed with the tools to streamline your bookkeeping process and set you free. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to a world where your financial records are effortlessly up to date, accurate, and perfectly organized. Book.ai isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about collaboration made easy. We'll unveil its user-friendly platform that connects business owners and accounting firms seamlessly. No more communication black holes or endless email chains. With Book.ai, you'll experience the joy of effective information exchange and timely responses. It's like having a team of bookkeeping wizards at your fingertips. Prepare to be amazed as Book.ai liberates accounting firms from the chains of repetitive tasks. This AI-powered superhero takes care of the monotonous bookkeeping work, allowing accountants to spread their wings and soar to new heights of productivity. With more time to focus on high-value services, they'll become the heroes their clients deserve. But wait, there's more. Book.ai isn't content with mediocrity, it craves evolution. We'll explore how this platform continuously learns and improves, adapting to your specific needs. The AI system gets smarter by the day, ensuring your bookkeeping process is as precise as Iron Man's targeting system. Book.ai is the sidekick that always has your back. Number 5. Tweetmonk. Last but not least, we have Tweetmonk, the sensational social media detective here to revolutionize your financial well-being. It's like having Sherlock Holmes analyzing Twitter for financial insights. Brace yourself as we uncover the awe-inspiring secrets of how Tweetmonk transforms your financial decisions. But how does Tweetmonk find the financial gems amidst the sea of tweets? Tweetmonk wields these cutting-edge tools to analyze tweets and decipher their true meaning. It's like having an army of social media sleuths tirelessly working to separate the signal from the noise. Who needs actual human researchers when you have algorithms doing the job? With the precision of a surgeon and the finesse of a poet, Tweetmonk can detect sentiment from tweets. Is it positive, negative, or somewhere in between? Fear not, for Tweetmonk will unravel the emotional essence of each tweet, helping you make those oh-so-important financial decisions. Because, as we all know, Twitter is the epitome of rational discourse and reliable market indicators. Tweetmonk automates data analysis, saving you time and effort. No more manual research or complex reports. Its lightning-fast algorithms distill thousands of tweets in moments. And before we wrap up this journey of AI-powered financial tools, it's time to reflect on the possibilities they present. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's essential to research and assess these tools to determine their effectiveness for your unique financial needs. While these tools may have their pros and cons, it's crucial to research and evaluate their effectiveness for your specific needs. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your take on the AI revolution in finance? Do you think these tools are the superheroes they claim to be, or are they just fancy gadgets with flashy marketing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your perspective. Thank you all for joining me today as we explored the fascinating world of AI tools for financial productivity. Remember, while these tools may promise incredible benefits, it's crucial to approach them with a critical eye and understand their limitations. If you enjoyed this thought-provoking content, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay financially savvy, always question the hype, and keep your skepticism intact and your wallet safe.